Alright, so moving day is almost there. Got the truck running. We're ready to go pick up the trailer. This is just the preview of the house we is leaving. We got this bad boy all done. And we're out of here in 2 days from now. It's a little bit messy, but I mean, it is what it is. We built this back deck. We built that shed in the corner. We built the fence. We did all that. We installed these countertops. We built all this, installed the fridge, changed all these lights. Every single light fixture in this house was changed. Yeah, this is just the main floor. I'll show you the basement and the upstairs after, but right now, we're on the way to U-Haul to go get the trailer. Here we go. So today is moving day. We are out of here. We is leaving. Got all of our stuff packed up and we're moving to a dump. So we're out of here. This trailer loaded with our stuff. The back of the truck, our stuff. Back of this truck, our stuff. A car with our stuff. The van's got some stuff. U-Haul trailer has our stuff. Pod in our driveway has some stuff. Everything here has our stuff. So we're leaving. We out here. We gone today. Wait till you see our new place. This is it. C'est la vie. This is our basement here that we finished off. We is leaving. I'm gonna miss this house. Main floor living area. To our backyard. Our upstairs, which have bedrooms and bathrooms. Welcome to our new house. We have arrived. The pod is here, the U-Haul's here. We have unloaded a bunch of stuff. It's dark, it's late. Been working at this all day long. This way to the party, if you can see it. Don't know if you can. So we walk into our beautiful new house. That's not so beautiful. We have closet falling off door. This is our very outdated kitchen. If we come over here, our floors are in dire need of repair. And we're moving into this junk hole. This room here, I've already kind of been poking at. The floor is rotted. There's holes in the wall. We've already peeled up like the carpet that was here. We've just like this side of the house is gonna come apart real quick. Real quick. We have a random water heater just hanging out in the middle of nowhere. This house is awesome. So when it comes to tonight, I am tapped. I'm done. There's still boxes everywhere. There's stuff everywhere. Going to bed. Tomorrow we're gonna tackle this again. Tomorrow we are actually donating this kitchen. We got a crew coming in. They're gonna take out this kitchen. We are donating it to a Habitat for Humanity home. While we rip out everything else that's here, all the walls and everything. Pull this all back to redo it all. So follow along with us as we get ready to flip this house. Let's do it.